Here we are seeing about the factor affecting the ionization potential, and now we see the fourth effect, that is a screening effect. Effect of a screening effect on ionization potential. The screening effect of the inner electrons on the valence electrons and variation in a group. The greater the number of electrons in the inner cells, the smaller will be the ionization potential. As we move down a group, the number of inner cells increases and have the ionization potential tends to decrease. For example, we see here the elements of second A group, 2A group. B, its number of inner cell is 1, so IP is 9.3. Mg, number of inner cell is 2 and its IP is 7.6 in electron volt. IP means ionization potential. Ca, number of cells is 3 and IP is 6.1. Similarly, Sr, number of inner cells is 4 and IP is 5.7. Ba, number of inner cell is 5 and IP is 5.2. So we are seeing that it is decreasing from going to left to right, or here we are discussing group, so going from top to down. Fifth, atomic radius and variation in a group. With the increase in atomic radii, the ionization potential decreases. This is because of the fact that in case of larger atoms, the attraction between the nucleus and outermost electron is less, and hence it is easier to remove an electron from a larger atom than from a smaller one. Thus, on moving from top to bottom in a group, the ionization potential of the elements decreases with the increase of their atomic radii. Here we see the example of element of 1A group. Li, covalent radii 1.55 and IP 5.3. Na, covalent radii 1.90, IP 5.1. K, covalent radii 2.35, IP 4.3. Rv, covalent radii 2.48, IP 4.2. Cs, covalent radii 2.67, IP 3.9. So we see IP is decreasing from top to down. Sixth, principal quantum number and variation in a group. Higher value of n, that is principal quantum number, the lower will be the amount of energy required to remove the electrons, that is its ionization potential will be lower. Thus, on moving from top to bottom in a group, as the value of n, that is principal quantum number, for the valence electrons increases, ionization potential decreases, as it is evident from these examples. Example first, values of first and second ionization potential of Li, whose electronic configuration 1 s sub 2 2 s sub 1 are 5.3 electron volt and 7.5 electron volt respectively. So 5.3 electron volt is the energy required to remove 2s electrons, and when n equals to 2, and 75.6 electron volt when n equals to 1. Sorry, we have 5.3 electron volt and 75.6 electron volt. So energy required to remove 2s electron when n equal to 2. 5.3 electron volt is the energy required to remove 2s electron when n equal to 2, and 75.6 electron volt when n equals to 1. Second, first IP of Ne 2s sub 2 2p sub 6 and AR 3s sub 2 3p sub 6 are 21.6 electron volt and 15.8 electron volt respectively. That is, for Ne it is 21.6 electron volt, and for AR it is 15.8 electron volt, first IP. Obviously, when n for that is principal quantum number for Ne equals to 2 is smaller than principal quantum number of AR, which is equals to 3. So IP of Ne is 21.6 electron volt is higher than that of AR, whose IP is 15.8 electron volt.